Did you know that practicing Qigong can help reduce stress and anxiety levels by as much as 60%? It's like a natural chill pill for your mind and body. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of Qigong, an ancient Chinese practice designed to harmonize mind, body, and spirit. Combining graceful movements, meditation, and controlled breathing, Qigong is a holistic approach to wellness that is gaining popularity worldwide. Whether you're young or old, physically fit, or just starting out on your wellness journey, Qigong offers something beneficial for everyone. Qigong, pronounced Qigong, has origins dating back thousands of years in ancient China, deeply rooted in the principles of traditional Chinese medicine and Taoist philosophy. Initially developed by monks and martial artists, Qigong was a system designed to cultivate life force energy, known as Qi, or Qi, meaning life energy, through meditative movement. This practice is found to be akin to the mind-body coordination, reflective of the interconnectedness outlined in Eastern philosophies. Historical documents indicate that Qigong practices were established as early as the Zhou dynasty, 1046 to 256 BC. With the integration of Buddhism and Taoism during subsequent dynasties, it evolved into structured systems aimed at enhancing spiritual, mental, and physical well-being. Over the centuries, various forms emerged, each tailored for specific outcomes such as healing, martial defense, and spiritual enlightenment. Despite its ancient roots, its basic premise remains remarkably consistent: the cultivation and gentle movement of energy within the body to maintain health and vitality. Fast forward to modern times, Qigong has transcended its local origins to become a global health phenomenon. It incorporates numerous styles and health philosophies from martial to medical Qigong, adaptable to any contemporary lifestyle. Institutions and wellness centers are increasingly recognizing and incorporating Qigong as a complementary health practice. It's now frequently integrated with practices like Tai Chi, meditation, and yoga, reflecting how truly holistic and adaptable this profound tradition is. Today, Qigong is a beacon of holistic health, utilized by millions across the globe, looking to align body, mind, and spirit in their everyday lives. Before we dive into the depth of this enriching practice, remember to subscribe for more transformative tips and practices delivered directly to your screen. Qigong isn't merely an exercise. It's a comprehensive health system that promotes systemic functioning from bodily strengths to mental clarity. With its roots built on harmonizing the flow of Qi throughout the body, research increasingly validates Qigong's benefits with scientific backing. Numerous studies have highlighted its positive impact integrated into traditional healthcare practices for preventive and therapeutic use. For instance, one study published in the American Journal of Health Promotion indicates clear connections between regular Qigong practice and amelioration in conditions like hypertension, cardiovascular health, and diabetes management. Through its low-impact movements, Qigong effectively stimulates deep structural systems, increasing strength and balance while simultaneously ensuring that energy pathways remain unblocked. Qigong's influence also extends deeply into mental health. Studies in journals such as Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine point to significant stress-reducing properties, crediting the meditative and mindful aspects of Qigong for alleviating anxiety and depression symptoms. The rhythmic breathing and focused concentration employed help regulate the nervous system, promoting a calm, centered mental state. Professor Peter Wayne from Harvard Medical School highlights that these practices activate the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest system, bolstering resilience to stress. Moreover, Qigong offers therapeutic tools for chronic pain relief. Research illustrates marked improvement in joint health and chronic conditions like arthritis and fibromyalgia, where Qigong incorporates dynamic sequences that lubricate joints and nurture muscular function without excessive strain. The mind-body connection established reduces pain perception, offering a holistic method for pain management beyond pharmacological interventions. Beyond the musculoskeletal and mental benefits, Qigong has profound impacts on respiratory health. As explored in studies focusing on pulmonary rehabilitation, particularly in those who've experienced conditions affecting lung function, the disciplined breathing techniques enhance lung capacity, oxygen saturation, and overall vitality. Experts also emphasize the role of Qigong in immune support. Movement patterns and breathing enhance cellular nutrition uptake and detoxification. According to an investigative review in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, Qigong practitioners demonstrated increased immunoglobulins and improved antioxidative potential over non-practitioners, underscoring the role of Qigong in immune regulation. Science and expert insights unequivocally reinforce that Qigong isn't just a form of light exercise. It's a bridging philosophy seamlessly integrated into one's lifestyle to foster enhanced well-being, with effects extending from deep cellular levels to heightened spiritual awareness. Thus, Qigong provides an ongoing commitment to holistic health attainable through mindful practice. Despite its growing popularity and proven benefits, Qigong is sometimes misunderstood or viewed with skepticism, particularly in Western medicine, where empirical evidence is heavily favored over indigenous healing practices. Many Westerners see it purely as slow, less impactful exercise and often confuse it with Tai Chi, unable to perceive the subtle energy work its practitioners experience. One challenge Qigong faces is the inconsistency in teaching quality and style, given its myriad forms. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by Qigong's vastness, unsure where to begin or which style best suits their needs. Additionally, integrating Qigong into a fast-paced lifestyle can be difficult for some, as its quiet, meditative nature contrasts starkly with modern life's hustle. To successfully incorporate Qigong into your life, start with goal setting. What do you wish to achieve through Qigong? Whether it's stress reduction, pain relief, or overall wellness, having a clear purpose can guide your practice. Seek local classes or community centers that offer beginner-friendly sessions. Attending these in person provides valuable interaction with a trained instructor who can guide and correct your form. Consider supplementing with online resources. Many platforms offer free instructional videos that allow flexibility. Commit to short, consistent daily practices rather than sporadic long sessions, slowly allowing Qigong to weave seamlessly into daily routines without feeling burdensome. Becoming part of Qigong communities online or locally can help offer motivation and newfound knowledge. Interaction with other practitioners can inspire and expose one to different aspects and styles of Qigong suitable for their needs. Look for groups in apps or social media that share their journey and encouragement, adding accountability to your practice. Emphasize patience, remembering that Qigong is a gentle, gradual journey. Like many profound transformations, its effects may not be instantaneous, but gradually unfurl as one becomes more attuned to life energy. Finally, reinforce practice with mindfulness throughout the day. The meditative principles of Qigong can be extended into daily tasks by focusing on present experiences and breathing deeply, calming your mind and enhancing life force without an ongoing session. Through deliberate incorporation, the most daunting challenge becomes attentive growth, leading to deeper connections with one's body and mind. Despite the challenges, many have embraced Qigong as a vital part of their health regimen, with transformative effects. Lucy, mentioned earlier, shares how Qigong relieved her chronic pain. Initially skeptical, this practice not only soothed physical discomfort, but fostered emotional tranquility, enhancing her everyday life beyond. Ready to explore the world of Qigong further? Dive in by finding classes in your area. Some might even be in local parks, or opt for online resources accessible anywhere. Be sure to watch our related videos where you can discover other fascinating holistic practices. Remember, new drops weekly, so click subscribe, hit that like button, and join this journey of well-being. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.